Protecting valuable equipment, materials, and modular assets starts with proper wrap application. In this video, we will walk through the basic steps for applying DuraDefend shrink wrap. What you will need. Before getting started, make sure you have the right materials, safety equipment, and a clean work area. Step 1. Prepare the item or area. Preparation helps prevent punctures, improves fit, and creates a cleaner final wrap. Step 2. Position the shrink wrap. Position the wrap so there is enough coverage on all sides, with room for overlap and securement. Step 3. Secure the film. A secure starting point helps the film shrink evenly and stay in place throughout the application. Step 4. Apply heat evenly. Apply heat gradually using smooth, consistent movements. The goal is to tighten the wrap without overheating or burning the film. Step 5. Seal seams and edges. Seams and edges are critical to the performance of the wrap. Take time to seal overlap areas and reinforce any high-stress points. Step 6. Final inspection. After shrinking, complete a full walk-around to make sure the wrap is tight, secure, and ready for storage or transport. DuraDefend shrink wrap from Viaflex helps protect valuable assets during storage, staging, and transportation. Visit Viaflex.com to learn more about DuraDefend shrink wrap and reinforced shrink wrap.